Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? For today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using some product from the High Beauty Boss, June Boss. This month we have 5 products. You get like full size products every other month. It's not like an every month subscription box, and it's retail for $34.99, not pounds, $34.99, and they ship worldwide. Yeah, and you don't pay custom or tax when you buy from this company, and it's a good way to like build up your makeup collection and all that, and get to try new product, because the product in this June box I've not tried before. I'm not joking, like these are new products to me. Like it's a very nice way to try new product, new brand and all that, so I'm really excited guys. So I'm going to leave the name of the product on the video and on the description bar. So if you have any other question about this beauty box, make sure to ask me at the comment section, and don't forget you can get 10% off when you use my code. I will leave the code on the video and at the description bar if you're interested. Okay, this is from Wonder Beauty. It's a skincare, it's a moisturizing and skincare brand, and this is $36, while the box itself is $34.99. So that is ridiculous. So one product I've paid for the whole box. Just like this. Let me try a $36 moisturizer. Not bad. Oh wow, I like the shine. That's very moisturizing. Oh wow, make your skin glow. You guys see that? This is a good one. I will definitely use this. Then you have a brush which I'll be using for my eye makeup today, and it's by Crown Brush, and this is $19 from Crown Brush. Product right here from dr.botanicals, and it's a facial oil, and I've got a lot of my followers on Instagram say that they've used this and it's really nice. So this has good vitamin in here. It's a facial oil. Facial oil is my thing. I use facial oil every day of my life right now. So it's a facial oil with good vitamin inside, and this retail for, how much is this? This is $26. This is a good boss. Like the prices of this product are amazing, and like wow. Use this today to moisturize my face. Yeah, I'm so excited. Things in this box I will definitely use. So we have an eyeshadow palette, and this is from IBY Beauty. This is the eyeshadow palette. That eyeshadow palette is retail for $20. Okay, nice. Then the last thing on the box, a LASPLASH lip gloss. It's a lip gloss which looks like this. $18. I actually like the packaging of this, so cute. Let's get on using the product, and in total everything in this box is £119. Sorry, why am I saying pound? $119, and you paid $34.99, and you get 10% off using my code. Yeah, it's a good deal. Good deal. Okay, let's start with this tutorial. I'm going to use the Dr. Botanicals facial oil. Then I'm going to use a primer by Dermalogica. I'm going to use the NARS foundation. Then I'm going to mix it with a facial illuminator. So I'm going to use these two products. Okay, guys, to highlight my face, I'm going to use the Lucky Tattoo Concealer by Kat Von D. So to contour my face, I'm going to use the MUA Concealer 188. So to set my face, I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to use the Nip and Fab blush palette. So guys, I know I was not talking almost through the makeup. Forgive me. I'm trying to be in a very like fast mode. Anyway, I'm going to do my eyes now. First of all, I'm going to start with the brows. I'm going to use the Adele brow pencil. The eyeshadow palette from the Tribe Beauty Boss. This is by IBY Beauty. Crown brushes that came with the set, that came with the boss. Okay, the bad pigments. I'm going to use these eyelashes. So I'm going to dust off the excess powder on my face. I'm going to be using my face powder by Technique Makeup. So now before I do anything else, I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to use the new Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. For lipstick, I'll just line my lip with a brown lip line. We'll take the LASPLASH lipstick. Oh my god, this is pink. This is really creamy because it's a gloss. Gerard Cosmetic Lip Gloss. Oh, it's a beautiful combination. Makeup addiction. So, one more spray to the face. Okay guys, this is the final look. This is how the makeup looks like. It looks really good now, like it took a process to get here. Try Beauty Boss. So I'll leave all the details that you need to know at the description bar, and this is the June boss. You need to get it before the end of June, I think, and it's every other month subscription boss. They won't charge you if they are not bringing out any product, so that is one thing you need to know. So anyway, they ship worldwide. Like I said, you can use my code to get 10% off. The eyeshadow, the lipstick, the facial oil, what else did I use from my Try Beauty boss? The brushes, everything in the boss are worth it. Like, so worth it. And I didn't just like the pink from the LASPLASH, so I had to like apply another lip gloss on top of it, but the combo is beautiful. This is good. What do you guys think about this makeup tutorial? Let me know what you think at the comment section as usual. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are not a subscriber. Love you guys so much. Thank you to my new subscribers. I see you. God bless you. To my old subscriber, you know, one love, man. One love. One love, guys. You understand? Okay guys, remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. See you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.